Jim, you own the stock. I'm sure you're sick and tired of talking about the MAX. And every time you think you're past it, here we are again.
Yeah, but actually there's been a lot of good news on the 737 MAX, so I'm not worried about this. First off, the problem, they say, could affect backup power units. It's an electrical circuitry problem. Honestly, if you're an engineer, you look at that and you say, that's a minor problem. It doesn't affect airworthiness. It's not a big fix. So this doesn't bother me at all. As far as the stock reaction, Boeing is still in a shoot first, ask questions later context. People, they hear the slightest bad news, they sell it. If you don't own it, I do feel this is a good opportunity to get into it. If you do own it, there is nothing in this news today that should shake you from your thesis.
Kevin O'Leary, for a guy who used to love Boeing stock, you wouldn't touch this? Is that right?
I don't like the sector. I think Boeing trades in sympathy with airlines themselves. I think the airline sector is one of the sectors that's broken. The assumption on the reopening trade is that everything's going to go back to normal. The majority of profits for airlines come from business travel. I don't know of a single S&P company or private company that isn't slashing and hacking all of their business travel because it's a great way to save money. I think when it does come back, and the average ticket last week was about $250, that means everybody's flying to Disneyland, and the airlines make no money doing that. So I think this thing will fall apart, and there'll be a pretty negative Q4 for airlines. And then I think we need a couple of them to go bankrupt to reduce capacity because business is impaired 10 to 20% permanently, I think.